Many of you know this video, which has been floating around the internet for a couple of years now and gaining millions of views. But not many people know that I am the drone pilot who made it. And today I'm going to tell you how I did it. And most importantly, I will prove that this is not CGI, but real footage with the real bear. It all started when someone copied the original video with my bear from my Telegram channel and uploaded it in TikTok, and did not credit that I was the author of this video. And literally within hours the video went viral on all possible publics. It came to the point that a popular YouTube channel even parsed my video and wondered if it was a real footage or not.
I'm not sure if it's real or fake.
Like a CGI. I should note that at that time the neural network was not yet able to create video at all. I tried and asked many publishers to remove the video or mark mine like an authorship, but it was all for nothing. Now I have accepted the fact that my video is still very popular, but no one knows who the creator. Sad and painful. But now I will just show you the footage that is proof that this video and this bear is real. Here, before the shoot, we tried to placate the bear with honey because we were very worried that he would eat us. But the bear was very kind. After, we started shooting and the first take was not so successful. We began to shoot more and more, and only the second time everything worked out. And just look further. On this original shot, we can see that the bear is just playing with our hero. So now everything actually ended safely. And it all started when I had a dream that I was running away from a bear in the woods. When I woke up, I thought it would be a perfect shot for my FPV flight drone. After that, I searched for the bear for a long time, or rather person who has a real bear that can run after the actor and not eat him. Many people turned me down. They said I was crazy, but in the end I found someone who took the risk of helping us. So thanks everyone who are feeling to help for the idea, because that is when everything worked out. And by the way, I'm preparing a course on how to become a drone pilot and shoot cool drone content. So click on the link below and jump on the training. First, clear sky.